Welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. We will share many crochet fall patterns. The crochet pattern and links are down below in the description. If you are new to Crochet Jewel channel, please take a moment to subscribe for more crochet patterns and ideas. Crochet tops that are great for the fall season. Crochet cardigan top sizes extra small to 3XL. You'll love this easy way to crochet this beautiful cardigan, easy to make and trendy to wear. With an airy design and kimono sleeves, this lightweight crochet cardigan is made from basic stitches, with DK weight yarn and L/11, 8mm crochet hook. Karen double down crochet shawl. With this pattern, you found a great first garment project. This crochet shawl is a stylish canvas for showcasing the color transitions of this gorgeous yarn. Worked in 2 panels that are seamed together in finishing, a field of single crochet stitches is sandwiched between minimal ribbing that's created by working in the back loops only. This large and cozy fabric provides both comfort and style to any outfit. Red Heart Granny Square Jacket. For this pattern, colors can be easily separated by gently pulling apart and cutting at the color transition size extra small through 5 extra large. Fall Colors Ponchette Crochet Pattern. Learn to crochet the fall poncho in fall colors, or any color of yarn you choose. Pick your size from the 6 sizes included. How to crochet one-piece cardigan, cozy fall crochet cardigan, crochet video tutorial by Olga. Autumn is not that far away, and it's time to start crocheting fall and winter garments. In this video she is showing how to crochet a cozy cardigan using Karen Bake Cakes yarn. Red Heart Easy Crochet Triangle Shawl. This shawl is a one-size-fits-all. This beautiful shawl is a great way to keep warm in the cold months. Keep your hands warm with these crochet fingerless gloves. These trendy gloves are one-size-fits-all, you just need to adjust the wristband by adding more rows. Do you need a warm and cozy glove but don't have time to make a whole set of them? If so, check out this quick and easy crochet fingerless gloves pattern. These gloves are perfect for keeping your hands warm in the cold weather, and they're a cinch to make. Crochet hats are ideal for the cold months and make great gifts. Crochet Pumpkin Hat. This crochet hat is made for all sizes. This pumpkin hat is perfect for anyone this fall. These cute hats make great gifts and sell well at craft fairs. Crochet Candy Corn Hat. You can make this hat in any hat size. Enjoy this step-by-step crochet candy corn hat tutorial. This crochet hat will guide you through the process of creating a delightful candy corn-inspired hat that is perfect for Halloween. Add a leaf to any project to make it complete. Create these cute crochet leaves for a nice addition to any project. You can crochet them with any type of yarn or hook. They measure a few inches. This crochet small leaf turned out so cute. In this crochet leaf tutorial, we'll show you how to create a simple leaf pattern using crochet. This leaf pattern is perfect for using in Halloween projects, like costumes or home decor. Crochet a small leaf to add to any pattern. This leaf is perfect for beginner crocheters who are looking to learn how to crochet in a simple and straightforward way. This leaf is easy to crochet, and once you've completed it, you'll be able to crochet more complicated leaves with ease. So if you're looking to learn how to crochet, then this is the pattern for you. Crochet Halloween Bag, Trick or Treat Candy Bag with Pumpkin Witch Skeleton and Frankenstein. This pattern includes the patterns for how to crochet all 4 Halloween candy bags for each character. There is a pumpkin, a witch, Frankenstein, and Jack Skellington. There's also a video tutorial linked inside so that no matter your skill level, you will be able to make these bags. Crochet Halloween Pumpkins and Ghost Pattern. This pattern is easy to follow with step-by-step instructions. It does not contain crochet lessons. You should have basic crochet skills to be able to crochet with the help of this crochet pattern. Easy Crochet Candy Corn Bag Pattern. This pretty bag pattern includes a detailed description of how to make the bag and handle, yarn weight suggestion and hook size. Are you looking for pumpkin patterns? Try this easy crochet pumpkin tutorial fall DIY. This is a perfect fall DIY project that you can enjoy making and decorating your home with. How to crochet a pumpkin, easy steps for beginners. In this How to Crochet a Pumpkin tutorial, you'll learn how to crochet a beautiful, ornate pumpkin in easy steps. This crochet pumpkin is perfect for beginners who want to learn how to crochet. It's simple to follow and can be completed in just a few hours. Once you've mastered this simple crochet pattern, you'll be able to make your own beautiful pumpkins any time of year. Crochet pumpkin coasters are so nice for the fall season. Create a fun pumpkin coaster for your drink or for a gift for a friend. These cute coasters are perfect for the fall season. Follow along with my step-by-step tutorial video below. Crochet spider coasters are fun for the kids during the Halloween season. These crochet spiders are so spooky and cute and are great for the fall Halloween season. This coaster is perfect for anyone who loves spiders and coasters. Crochet turkey coasters are so much fun to make for Thanksgiving. These fun coasters are great for the holidays and Thanksgiving. Kids love using these for their drinks and to decorate the table with. I hope you enjoyed all these crochet fall ideas. All links and patterns are down below in the description below this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.